Okay, let's just be honest. The way we all find stuff online, it is completely breaking. Traditional search is giving way to AI-driven answers, and this whole shift is rewriting the rules for how any brand gets seen. So the big question is, how do you not just survive, but actually win in this new world? Well, today, we're going to break down the new blueprint.
Now this right here, this isn't just some catchy phrase. It's the new reality. Think about it. If the AI models that are now answering everyone's questions don't know who you are and what you're an expert in, you pretty much don't exist online. It's that simple. Your future customers, well, they just won't find you.
All right, so how do we fix that? It starts with the first of two really critical pillars. We're talking about something called Answer Engine Optimization, or AEO for short. This is your foundation.
So what is AEO, really? At its core, it's about getting your brand's name into the AI's response. You can think of it like the AI giving you a direct shout-out, a citation. And how do you earn that? By getting your brand mentioned in all the right places, the high-quality, authoritative sources that AI models are literally trained on. We're talking industry reports, news articles, even places like Wikipedia.
And look, this is super important. We're not just talking about optimizing for one single platform. We're dealing with a whole new ecosystem here. Whether it's ChatGPT, Claude, Google's Gemini, you name it. AEO is all about making sure your brand gets that critical mention across the board, wherever people are asking questions.
So what does that citation actually get you? Well, it boils down to one powerful word: credibility. When an AI cites your brand, it's signaling to the user that you are a trusted, reliable source on that topic. It's basically the digital version of an expert vouching for you. But getting a mention? That's only half the battle. Let's move on to the second pillar and see how this takes us to the next level: authority. And this is where generative engine optimization, or GEO, comes into play. So if AEO is about getting your name mentioned, GEO is about getting your content used. It's the art of structuring your articles and your data so the AI doesn't just cite you, it features your content directly in its answer. This means using things like clear Q&A formats and helpful data tables, basically making your content completely irresistible for an AI to grab and showcase.
And this happens in the most valuable real estate online. We're talking about those AI overviews at the very top of Google, featured snippets, and all those other prominent placements. This is front and center visibility, where the AI is literally using your content to build its answer for the user.
The ultimate outcome of a great geo strategy is authority. You're no longer just a credible source the AI points to, you are the authoritative source the AI relies on to inform its users. It's a massive step up from just being mentioned.
Okay, let's look at them side by side to make this crystal clear. AEO is all about getting those citations, which builds your credibility. GEO focuses on getting featured, and that builds your authority. And here's the key. You absolutely need the credibility from AEO to even be considered for the authority that GEO delivers. They work hand in hand.
So now we have these two incredibly powerful concepts, but how do we put them together into a single, cohesive strategy that actually works? Well, that brings us to the blueprint itself, CITAGEN. And this really is the key question, isn't it? It's not enough to be good at one or the other. True dominance in the age of AI requires a strategy that can secure both the mention and the feature placement. So how do you do it?
The answer lies in this simple but powerful formula. You combine a strong citation strategy using AEO with a powerful feature strategy using GEO. The result isn't just visibility, it's what we call AI dominance. It's about becoming so essential that the AI models themselves actually come to rely on you.
And that is precisely what the CITAGEN framework is designed to do. It's not an AEO strategy or a GEO strategy. No, it's an integrated system that relentlessly goes after both citations and features, creating this powerful feedback loop where credibility builds authority, and that authority leads to even more credibility.
All right, let's bring this all together and talk about what it means for your brand. It's time to think about putting this blueprint into action.
Here's the entire strategy at a glance. AEO, the action is to get cited, and the result is credibility. GEO, the action is to get featured, and the result is authority. And CITAGEN, that's the unified strategy to do both, which helps you achieve true AI dominance.
So I'll leave you with the same question we started with, but maybe with a new perspective. Knowing what you know now about AEO, GEO, and the path to AI dominance, take a hard look at your strategy. Is your brand truly visible to the future?
Because that future, well, it's already here.